Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to turn off your location on Snapchat. So initially, what you want to do is go onto Snapchat, and on the bottom left corner where that location button is located, we're going to press on that. And now you can see my location, but to turn it off, we're going to go all the way to the top right corner to the gearbox, press on the gearbox, and click on ghost mode. And now you're presented with a few options where you could turn ghost mode on for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So I'm going to press until turned off, and now ghost mode is on. What you can do next is actually go to your settings on your phone. So I'm going to go settings, and now I'm going to scroll all the way down to find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat, and now where it says location, we're going to press on that and click on never. So now you're completely off the grid with Snapchat. No one can locate you, and Snapchat isn't tracking you as well. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.